What's going on, everybody? We are back again today with a fun little science project. This is a project with Peanut, and today we are going to make snow. Believe it or not, that's what we're going to do. It is about -5 degrees outside, and we've got a pan of boiling water right here. Disclaimer, don't try this without adult supervision. Let's go to work. Okay, so the first thing that we need for this fun little experiment is a boiling pan of water when it is this cold. Again, do not do this without adult supervision. Okay, are you ready to do this?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna need you to hold the doors. I'm gonna get a hot pad.
Okay.
Let's roll. Out that way. You ready?
Yeah. Oh, what? What?
Told you.
Yep.
All right. Okay, so that about does it for that video, Giggle Box. Until next time, think outside the box and do something cool.